All right, so we're over here at the small jointer, the 6-inch jointer, and remember it's called the 6-inch jointer because it has a capacity of 6 inches to be able to, a max capacity of 6 inches. So I'm coming over to the little jointer just to show you about doing the edges. You could do it at the big jointer, but there's probably someone waiting behind you. So we have our reference edge that we figured out at the last place. Now we're going to do the edge. So what we want to do here is we want to figure out which edge is has the least amount of passes necessary. And we can put it down on a surface like so, or we can go to a longer surface to make sure that it has which is the least wobbly edge. So in our case here, this is the edge here, the one that the table saw received. So I'm just going to draw some lines down the edge here that will help me remind me when to stop. So I'm ready to go. And in this case here, you could use a push stick. Sort of one of those gray areas right here. You could use a push stick like so and push it over like so if you feel more comfortable. In my case, and as you get more comfortable, as long as you're sort of very close to the top, you're probably okay to go without. So in my case, I'm going to go without. And making sure that, most important, that our reference edge is kissing the fence. And we're going to run it through, making sure we've got a good stance, and we walk through the entire pass. Okay, here we go. So my lower hand is tucked in like so, top hand on top, and making sure that this left hand is putting pressure against the fence. And then run it through, moving my feet, have a look. See if there's any pencil marks. There are a few more pencil marks there, so I'm going to run it around right away. Okay? Okay, now we have, that looks good. So I'm going to give it an RE for reference edge. Remember, if I want to, I'll turn the sheet on here. Because that jointer bed isn't that long, you can take it over to a longer surface like so on the table saw, and you'll notice that the edge is nice and consistent, and it is very true and nice. Next step, over to the thickness sander. Bye.